This is most powerful and very easy forex trading strategy that anyone can use to make daily income. Even if you are very new to forex, watch full video beginning to the end and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get future videos like this. This strategy needs only two indicators. Open indicators, open main chart, scroll down to find stochastic oscillator. Don't change anything, apply default. Now, first find a stochastic divergence at any time frame and any pair because this strategy working for all. This is called M30. Stochastic making lower low. Chart making higher high. Now install Awesome Oscillator. Apply default settings. Now finding Awesome Oscillator Divergence. Here is the Awesome Oscillator Divergence. This is all you need to find, and now as confirmation we finding QM setup to get sniper entry. Apply 2-line chart to see QM clearly. Now clearly see the QM. This is the final step to get sniper entry. Target previous high to take profit. This is another example.
We about to turn it on. We about to turn it on.
Now taking Euro USD.
turn it on. Turn it. Turn it. We about to turn it on. 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 We about to turn it on. Go, 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 go. We about to turn it on. Turn it on.
Now applying this strategy on USD JPY.
Turn it. We about to turn it on. Turn it. Turn it. We about to turn it on. Turn it. We about to turn it on. Turn it. We about to turn it on. 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 We about to turn it on. Go, 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 go. We about to turn it on. Turn it on. We about to turn it on. Turn it on. Turn it. We about to turn it on.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and give a thumbs up. See you next video.